Rufus, North Carolina could soon fund research for psychedelic treatments. A bill making its way through the General Assembly would allow researchers to use money to study ecstasy and magic mushrooms in clinical settings. Some existing research suggests these can help treat or even cure PTSD and cluster headaches. WCNC Charlotte's Lexi Wilson looks at the findings.
Many of our veterans suffer from physical wounds, but there are mental health injuries too. Thousands suffer from PTSD.
There are veterans out there that are crying out for help.
North Carolina Representative Alan Chesser is a combat veteran himself. He spent 11 months in Iraq and still has some symptoms of PTSD. Chesser is sponsoring a bill that would set aside $5 million to help fund research for psychedelic drugs.
This is going to be strictly regulated. It's not something that's going to be prescribed and sent home.
Right now, research shows MDMA, also known as ecstasy, and psilocybin, also known as magic mushrooms, could help people with PTSD, depression, and anxiety.
The evidence, we just can't ignore it anymore. And, under the right circumstances, these appear to be transformative treatments.
UNC Chapel Hill professor Dr. Brian Roth has researched how these mind-altering drugs can treat mental illness. He believes this bill could help bring North Carolina up to speed with other states that have decriminalized psychedelic mushrooms.
I'm very happy that North Carolina is finally joining everybody else.
Charlotte native Alan Thomas says if passed, this bill could be life-changing.
Antidepressants have not worked for me.
He says he suffers from complex PTSD and wants access to more help.
These medicines allow us to address the trauma and process the trauma.
Psychedelic drugs showing to have legitimate success.
So I see a brother of mine that went from having multiple suicide attempts to he claims he's been cured from PTSD.
And a reminder that these drugs are illegal, but the FDA is looking to approve MDMA as well as psychedelic mushrooms. There are clinical trials you can participate in. Reporting for WCNC Charlotte, I'm Lexi Wilson.